So guys, it finally happened. My 150,000 mile 4L60E transmission that's original to the car decided it didn't like third or fourth gear anymore. So I got a replacement built one with a high style converter, and today we're going to replace the old one. I start by removing the starter so I can get access to the torque converter bolts. There are 3 of them. Once removed, I'm also going to remove the drive shaft by unbolting the U-joint. The other side just slips directly out of the transmission. From there, I can pop off the shifter linkage and remove the O2 sensors for some added clearance when I'm pulling the transmission out. Now, once the old transmission is fully supported, I can remove the transmission mount. After removing the transmission lines, I then removed all the bell housing bolts so I could fully remove the transmission. By using a screwdriver and a pry bar, I removed the transmission from the engine side dowel pins. After that, I used the transmission jack to drop it out of the car. I also went ahead and replaced the rear main seal because it was leaking. Now, it's very important to flush out your transmission lines because you do not want contaminated fluid in your new transmission. Now, putting the new unit in is super easy. You just do everything in reverse order. A lot of people are going to ask me why I stuck with the 4L60E, but this one is built and should be more than adequate to handle the power level that I'll be at. Follow for part 2.